Hello colorful people, welcome back to another video. Now it is 2024 and there are still young people living in Jamaica who do not know how to shop online. Not call no name but internet. So in today's video I will be breaking down how to shop online from Jamaica. Let's get colorful. Now the first step is to have a debit card or a credit card. No, the first step is to have some money to shop online. Next, you get a debit card or a credit card or whatever. Or a credit card, I don't need no money. Yeah, you need to have a card because payments are electronic. The second thing you need to do is create an account with a shipping company. You don't ship directly to Jamaica, so you need the shipping company to get the US address. So the place that you're buying from will ship to your shipping company's address overseas, and then they will ship it to you in Jamaica. And there are many different shipping companies with various prices to clear your goods. I personally use Shippingville because I feel that their rates are better, a little cheaper. So you go on their website. Most of them have websites, some of them have apps. You go on their website, you create an account, and they will give you a US mailing address. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the Shippingville. This is the one I use. So you go to register now. You fill out this form, which asks for your first name, your last name, and email address. You create a password. It asks for an identity type, so you can use your driver's license or your ID, and it asks for your TRN number and where to deliver your packages in Jamaica. So most likely you can write your home address here and accept their terms and register, and you're good. After you register, they will give you a US. Step number 3 is the fun part. You need to download the app. Is it Shein, Temu, Amazon that you're going to shop on. Now the address that was given to you by the shipping company, you're going to put that address into the app that you're going to shop on. So you go to the settings of the app or the site or wherever. You go to the setting, then you add your address. Do not add a Jamaican address since you won't be getting it directly to you in Jamaica from the company. You add the shipping company's address. Hope that makes sense. So when you go on the website, you go to settings, address book, you add shipping address at the bottom. Then you're gonna fill in your name, your phone number. You can use your Jamaican number here if you like. Well, if you don't have a US address, US phone number, yeah. Yes, so you fill out this. You're gonna add the address right here for the address that the shipping company gave to you. Add it right here, save, and you're good to go. So after adding the address, you can go ahead and choose the items that you want to buy online. So you can just start shopping, shop till it drop. So when you're ready to cash out now, that's where your credit card or your debit card come into play. If you do not want to add your debit card to this site, you can always pay through PayPal. Most online stores offer a PayPal option for payment. You can add your PayPal, pay from PayPal. Now once you have paid for your goods, this is the harder part of the online shopping business. You will then need to download the invoice from the company that you shop with. So if you shop on Shein, for each item they will give you an invoice. That is what you need to clear your goods at the Jamaican custom, so they will know how much to charge you for your package. So you go to the site, there's an option, there's always an option that allows you to get your invoice downloaded. So once you view the invoice, click on view, then here you can download the invoice, which you then upload to the shipping company's website. So you download the invoice, then you go to the shipping company's website. You create what is called a pre-alert, so you can alert them that you spend little money online, you're in a things and you have things that come for you. So you create a pre-alert. So for the pre-alert, the invoice that you downloaded from the online store, you will now upload it to the shipping company's website. So they will give you the option to choose the type of item that you bought, the amount of money you spent, and yeah, basically that. So the invoice will be used to clear your goods when it reach to Jamaica. Now, when your package arrives in Jamaica, you will then have to pay another money, different from the one that you shopped online with. You have to pay to clear the goods at the shipping company. So this is where the rates come in now. Each shipping company have a different rate. Some will charge like $700 per pound. So it's based on the type of goods that you buy, the amount that the goods weigh, the package weigh. Yeah, basically that. And their rates. So that's about it. Quick, easy, so you can enjoy shopping online. Enjoy shopping online. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. If this was helpful, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Watch a few old videos so you can catch up with me. And see you next time. Don't forget to live good, live healthy, live colorful. Enjoy shopping.